So somewhere you have to understand the word anusasana in a practical way. That comes on 3 levels. Mind, action and speech. Here this is called discipline on the action. All the actions you perform through your limbs, you are disciplining them because you can see them. You can see your hands, you can grab your hands. So you can ask your hand, now, I'm not going to grab this. And mind says, do it. Here you are disciplining your body, don't care for your mind. I am not going to have it. Again and again mind says, have it. It's something beautiful, something wonderful, gorgeous, you'll enjoy it. The body says, no. Because you are training your limbs. By training your indriyas, you can help your manas. This is my point. By training your manas, you can help your indriyas. Because indriyas or senses are subordinate to your manas, mind. First of all, that aspect should be understood which distracts you. And it can happen any time. When you come out of your house, you don't intend to steal someone's something beautiful, wonderful. Your mind says, oh, it's beautiful, you like it. But it does not mean that anything you like it, you should have it. You see? You have to discipline yourself, otherwise you'll be torn apart. Your mind wants to have it, you want to taste it, your eyes like to have it, your skin likes to touch it, you will be nowhere. You have to discipline yourself. You know, there is one word which you use, is very strong. Say a story to somebody and that person says no. Finished. Your whole stories, your whole labor, all efforts are gone. The impact of no, you have to understand and learn to use with yourself and not with others. Never use word no to others with whom you live, whom you love. Learn to use that no for yourself. This will give you strength. No, I will not do this. Ramatirtha, a great sage, was very fond of apples. He writes, he could not, anywhere he found good apple and his palate used to run. You know, it became obsession for him. He used to think about apples all the time. Even if he was hungry, he wouldn't eat unless he saw good apple. His appetite was because of the apples. He would get an apple, so he would eat. He analyzed this and one day he said, okay, my dear apple, I am going to set you right. So he kept apple, he would keep apple, clean it, wash it, cut it, put it in a plate, decorate it nicely and would not eat it. In few days' time, that obsession was over. You will have to discipline yourself somehow or other. If you are prepared to discipline yourself, then there will be no problem. Because your buddhi is helping inside, telling you it's not good for you. For a diabetic patient, sugar is like poison. But I have seen diabetic patients being irresponsible, take more sugar. Like to steal sometimes sugar. They know it's injurious. Why? for lack of discipline. So you have to understand that for learning yoga science, which leads you to highest rung of life, which leads you to the sanam bunam of life, which leads you to the kingdom of wisdom, peace and bliss, which leads you to freedom from all pains and miseries, you have to discipline yourself.